So I've used the DIMO Macaron for a little while now, and I want to share with you the results. In this video, I want to share with you guys how much I've earned with the DIMO Macaron, as well as how the rewards are actually calculated. In this video, we're also going to be announcing the giveaway of who's going to win a free DIMO Macaron from joining the giveaway in the previous two videos. And do not forget to use my code MATTLONG6 to get a 10% discount off of your own DIMO device, off of the Macaron or the AutoPi. And I also want to let you guys know that as of now, January 2024, the DIMOs are sold out, but don't you worry, because if you've already placed an order with a DIMO, then you are going to get it as expected. And if you've not ordered yet, then you can still place an order with DIMO. However, the Macarons are going to take about 5 to 8 weeks before they'll have them in stock again, and the AutoPis are going to take about 8 to 12 weeks. And do not forget that if your car has the ability to download apps like a Tesla, then you can download the DIMO app right now, and you don't even have to buy a device, and you can start earning DIMO tokens today. Now, the first thing I want to talk about in this video is going to be how are the rewards calculated. So in 2024, DIMO distributes about 1 million DIMO tokens each week, and then divides them up amongst all of the users. So to determine how many DIMO tokens a individual user would get per week, DIMO has created a point system. So I'm going to go over the point system right now. So there's really only two things that determine how many points you earn each week. And the first would be your week streak, which is how long you've had the DIMO device running in your car. So for example, level 1 would be between 0 and 3 weeks in a row. But that would give you 0 bonus points. Level 2 would be between 4 and 20 weeks, which would be 1,000 points. Level 3 is 20 to 35, which is 2,000. Level 4 would be 36 weeks or more of having the DIMO connected for a bonus 3,000 points. So some things to note as well would be if you failed to connect for 3 consecutive weeks in a row, then you get reset back to the level 1. And also make sure that your car is compatible, because DIMO at this time only cares about 2008 models and newer cars. Now that may change, because in the past I know that they only allowed 2012 vehicles, but they've lowered that, so maybe in the future they'll lower this again. So the second thing that earns you points would be the type of DIMO device that you have. So if you're using the DIMO app within your smart car, then you're only going to get a bonus 1,000 points. However, except for Teslas, they've made Teslas special because they don't have the option to plug in a actual DIMO device. They only have the app, so they've allowed Teslas to have 4,000 bonus points. Now, if you're running the Macaron like this one, a physical device instead of the app, then this would get you 2,000 bonus points. And then if you're using the AutoPi, you would be getting a bonus 6,000, which is the biggest of all of the bonuses. So after adding up these two numbers, the system will reward you with the percent of points that your car earned compared to the points generated by all the DIMO users combined. So let's go ahead and do an example. So let's say that this is your 4th week driving. That would be plus 1,000 bonus points. And then you are running a Macaron. That would be 2,000 bonus points. Then you would have a total of 3,000 points. If all the points combined of all the DIMO users would be 60,000 points, then your DIMO would earn 0.005% of the total rewards, because 3,000 of your points is only 0.005% of the 60,000 total points. So let's take that percent that you were given from your points and apply that same percent to the total amount of DIMO tokens that were distributed, which was 1 million. So let's take that 0.005% and multiply it by 1 million, and that will give you 50 DIMO tokens is what you would be rewarded for in this example. So now I know what you're thinking. You are thinking, all right, Matt, you lost me with all this math. So once I know what I earn, I can see in the app what I actually earn. How do I figure out how much my tokens are actually worth? So what I would suggest to do is go to coingecko.com, go ahead and type in DIMO in the search bar, and then it will tell you how much DIMO is worth at the current rate. And then you take what it's worth at the current rate and multiply it by how many tokens you will earn, in this case 50, and that will tell you how much you've earned. Or instead of doing all that math, you can just type it in the converter that CoinGecko provides, and you'll see that 50 DIMO tokens at the current rate is worth about $20. And honestly, that's pretty good because the Macaron costs $100 and you already made $20. You made 1/5 of how much this device cost to buy back in 1 week. So that means in about 5 weeks, you could pay back your Macaron. So that's honestly a pretty fast return on investment. So rewards are distributed every Monday morning, and notice how your rewards are not calculated based upon how much you drive. This is to make sure that DIMO is not encouraging people to do unnecessary driving nor wasteful driving that would pollute the earth with more car fumes. You just need to drive once a week. So one other thing I would like to mention specifically about the Macaron is all the other ones like the AutoPie and the apps would automatically upload all the data. Since the Macaron uses the Helium network, it can hold about 1,500 hours of data before you're going to be required to put your Macaron within range of a Helium hotspot to make sure that it can upload all of the data. However, also keep in mind that if you don't upload data for 3 consecutive weeks, then you will be automatically put back down to week 1 of your week streak. So before you buy a Macaron, keep in mind where different Helium hotspots are, so that way when you park your car, you are able to upload all the information at least once a week would be my opinion. One other thing I would like to note is that your week streak is calculated on the amount of time you had a DIMO device connected to your vehicle. It's based upon the vehicle, not the DIMO device. So if you sold the vehicle and you put that same DIMO device into your new vehicle, your week streak is going to reset. However, if you have a Macaron in a vehicle and then you want to upgrade it to the AutoPie, your week streak will not reset. You'll be able to continue from where you were. Now let's go ahead and talk about other things that the DIMO can do besides earn you passive income. So let's say someone gets in the passenger seat, they see your DIMO and they say, "What's that?" You probably want to be able to explain to them what it is and why you have it, and you want to have more information than just telling them it's a way for you to earn cryptocurrency. So if we pull up the app here, let me go ahead and share with you some of the things that the DIMO will be able to do. Now keep in mind that the DIMO AutoPie is more powerful than the DIMO Macaron, so the AutoPie will be able to provide more than the Macaron can. And the first thing you probably notice when you open up the app, it tells you the amount of gas you currently have in your fuel tank. This is going to be nice because now I can just pull up the app and see how much fuel I have to see if I need to go to the gas station before I go on my trip. In the top right is the glove box. This is an optional place to store your title, registration, insurance, and even your vehicle's maintenance history. Now, I personally would still keep a physical copy of all this in your actual glove box, but it's nice to have it here too. Underneath that, you'll see that you can see the car's range, which is the distance your car can travel with the current amount of fuel left in your tank. And you can see the connected distance, which is how many miles you drive while having the DIMO connected to the vehicle. And it'll also show you your battery's voltage, which shows you the history of your battery's voltage in your vehicle, which I personally used because my car was having an issue starting. And what I found is when I pulled up the app, I noticed that the voltage in my battery was not where it should be. It wasn't at 12 volts, and it was doing that for the whole past week. So I was able to identify that the issue was something to do with my battery or the alternator. And so when I took it to the mechanic, I told them that, and they were able to fix it pretty easily, rather than me just bringing in my car saying, I don't know the issue, something wrong with it. I was able to tell them where to look so that way they could start there. So another thing that it can show you is your current marketplace value of your car, which includes if you wanted to sell it yourself, what the estimated value would be, as well as how much your car should be worth if you traded it into a dealer. Another thing it will show you is your car's performance with engine load, which is the resistance applied to your motor, as well as your throttle, which is the controlling an engine's power by regulating the amount of fuel or air entering the engine. And one of the bigger things that I like is that you can read error codes. So being able to read the error codes that your car is giving you will save you a trip from going to an auto parts store or a mechanic to diagnose the issue. Instead, you know what the issue is, and you could potentially skip a diagnostic fee from a mechanic because you already know what the issue is. You just need to buy the part or tell the mechanic where the issue is. And the very last thing that the DIMO can tell you is the location of your vehicle. If your car is stolen, you know where your car is in real time, and you'll be able to call the police and say, hey, my car is on so-and-so street. Can you go get it for me because it's stolen? So those are all the things that the DIMO device are able to show you about your car's health and performance. And it's going to be nice to be able to diagnose your own cars, so that way you can save some money and buy any parts or tell the mechanic what is going on with your car. So the next thing we're going to talk about before we announce the giveaway winner is going to be how much did I earn running the DIMO Macaron all this time. So let's talk about that now. So I'm on this website called Blockpit. Blockpit is an awesome website that allows you to keep track of your cryptocurrency taxes. Yes, you have to pay taxes on cryptocurrency. Even if you're only running a DIMO and nothing else, you have to pay taxes. So definitely check out Blockpit and create a free account today. You only have to pay when you want to print your tax report. And if you use my link in the description, then you can get 15% off your very first tax license on Blockpit. Anyways, let's go through the transactions, and you'll see on my app right here that I've had my DIMO Macaron in my car since December 16th, 2023. So let's take a look at all transactions after that date. So you'll see that the first rewards I received with the DIMO Macaron would be 56 DIMO tokens, then 53, then 51. And today is Sunday, and since they give the rewards at the early morning of Monday, I'll just say I earned another 51 DIMO rewards, and that means I would have earned 211 DIMO tokens for the 4 weeks that I've had the DIMO Macaron, and 4 weeks is a month, so in 1 month I've earned 211 DIMO tokens. And if we take 211 and we multiply it by the current rate of DIMO, that would mean we would get $78 in 1 month's use of the DIMO Macaron. This only costs $100, so in 1 month I practically paid it off. All I need is maybe another week and I have paid this off. And if you would like to know how to sell your DIMO tokens, then definitely check out this video. And let's go ahead and talk about the points that I've earned, since we learned about that earlier. So we get less points for running the DIMO Macaron than the AutoPie, but let's go over it anyways. So I have a weak streak level of 4 since I've had the DIMO device in my car for more than 36 weeks. So that would be 300 points. And then the Macaron gives me 200 points. That means I had a total of 500 points. Now, if I was using the Autopie instead of the Macaron, then I would have 3,000 from the weak streak level 4, and then 6,000 for using the Autopie, which would give me about 9,000 points, which is better than the 5,000 points, almost double, which probably explains why in earlier weeks when I was using the Autopie, I was receiving about 100 DIMO tokens every week instead of 50. So if you ask me, which I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not a mechanic, but I would say that I love, with my personal experience with the DIMO, I love the device because not only can I learn about my car's health and performance and save some money with mechanics, I'm also earning rewards that will help pay off the device when I sell the tokens. And you may also notice that I have 2 devices since DIMO sent me the Macaron for free, so that way I could share all this content with you. So I'm probably going to put the Autopie, since it earns more money, back into my car, and then I'm going to put the Macaron in Heidi's car, so that way she can also start earning some passive income, and she can also learn about the health and performance of her car, and it will also give her the first experience of having cryptocurrency of her own. So anyways, guys, now that we've learned all about the calculations and how much I've earned and use cases and such of the DIMO devices, let's go ahead and talk about the winner of the giveaway of a free DIMO Macaron. If you were here in the previous 2 videos, you already know how to join. So let's go ahead and spin the wheel of names and figure out who won. All right, let's go ahead and spin the wheel. Now you may notice that some names are on here twice, and that's because there were 2 ways to enter into the giveaway. So let's go ahead and give this a shuffle real quick and spin the wheel. And congratulations to Free State Crypto. Congratulations. So now I'm going to make sure that you're eligible and you followed all the rules of the giveaway and followed everyone on Twitter and subscribed on YouTube. Awesome. So they were eligible. Thank you so much for everyone who joined the giveaway. Free State Crypto. I hope that you enjoy your free DIMO Macaron. Well, anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more data about how much I earn with different cryptocurrency devices, then definitely subscribe, because once a month, usually the first Saturday of the month, I do a crypto live stream where I share with you guys a spreadsheet of all that I earn with my crypto passive income devices. So that would be my Hive Mapper, my DIMO, my Neo, my Helium hotspots, and more. So definitely, guys, check that out. Thank you so much for showing your support of the channel by subscribing. We almost hit 1,000 subscribers on the channel, guys. That is insane. Thank you for all the love and support. Please subscribe so we can hit that 1,000 subscriber mark and then make our way to 10,000 subscribers. Really much appreciated, guys. Thank you for all your love and support. And as always, guys, stay safe, trade safe, watch out for scams, and God bless. Peace. Get 15% off your first taxes, your license, your first